Hello guys, so today I want to make a bedside table, and yeah, we are going to start. First you need this, the top and the base. I bought this from a local hardware shop, from a local timber shop, and these two stands, same size, though. Okay, they're of the same size. And I also wanted to make it a little more interesting, so I'm going to add these two. They're like mini tables which will be at the center. You'll see how I'll make it. And I thought this idea would be nice, classic. Instead of just putting it like that, it would just be normal, ordinary. So I wanted to make it a little bit classic. That's why I decided to put this. And for me to put, okay, so we are now going to start. For me to do that, I need to don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like and share. So first I have to measure the size of this, and I think it's 1 inch each. So since each is 1 inch, I'm just going to measure it over here. So I want it to be like this. Since here I have the base and here I have the top, these are going to be like that. Do you not get me? I think they look so nice, and they look so fantastic. Let us try, guys. Let us see how this will be. And this is my first. I think it's kind of wow, but this okay, I want to do this by myself. I don't need any help, so let's do this. Let's start. So since I already measured, as you can see, I don't think you can see on the camera, but I already put some lines over here where I want to make my cut. So actually what I'm trying to make now is just a small space so that this can be able to support. I want to cut this small space over here so that this one can get inside here and it can get support from inside here without falling. guys, now that I'm done making the holes, as you can see, I've made the holes over here and here, here and here. I'm not going to paint it all black because I prefer black. You can go with any the color with your preference, whatever color it is you want. But since my base and my top is somehow blackish, so I think I'm going to go with the black stance. Okay, so about this lace, I also got this lace from the hardware where I got all these pieces of wood. Where putting the small pieces in between was so hard, so very hard. In fact, it was the hardest thing I've ever done. But at last I managed. So I had to put can you see the Kalito wood over there on the black stand? Yeah, I had to put that as a supporter. But as I told you, it's my first trial. Yeah, so next time it's going to be even better. So I had to try. So you have to try to be better. Yeah, but still it turned out good because the downer okay, the earpiece ya chini kabisa ilikuwa tu it entered very well, but the smallest one, whoa, it really gave me a headache, very hard, but I still managed with the help of a supporter. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and please turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of my videos that I'll be posting. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so very grateful. I'm so grateful for the support and everything. I'm so grateful. This is where you belong. Watch this video till the end, please.